What's up, guys? So I might be getting rid of my car today. We'll see if this buyer actually pulls through. It's sad that I'm getting rid of it because I worked really hard on it and I really enjoyed having this car. Hopefully in the next video or the next part of this video, you guys will see me in my new car. So I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, good luck getting out of here. Okay, cause I mean I couldn't even get out of there.
You still didn't get out?
Yeah, are my fog lights on?
No.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay, so I just got this 2016 Focus ST. We just left the law a little bit ago. Got some Wendy's. And I'm driving it back home. We had to drive all the way to Ohio to get this car, and I'm in Indiana, so we have got a 4-hour drive to go back. So I'm really gonna be testing this car out really soon as I'm driving home. You guys love these seats? Because I know I do. Leather ST seats. Oh man. I got a moonroof, I got heated seats, navigation, heated steering wheel, which is completely pointless. The heated seats are pointless too, but I just got a really good deal on this car. And it just made so much more sense for me to get this car than a 2017 that is not fully loaded. And this one has 5,000 miles instead of 0 miles as a new one. Plus I'd be paying 6,000 more if I were to get that new one. What are your opinions on the seats, Ate? You like the racing seats?
They're pretty warm.
They're pretty warm. Do you feel like really stiff in them?
Yeah, when you speed up, like it kicks back.
No, I'm saying like when I make left and right turns, because these bolsters right here.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so I mean it's really stiff even for me. I wouldn't say I'm a big guy, considered fat, but I'm 200 pounds, 6'2", and a half, maybe 6'3". They fit me snug the first time I got in here, but I've been in the car for maybe 20-30 minutes now, and I've not broken it in, but like I don't really notice how stiff it actually is now. Well, I'm sure the more I drive it, the less I'll even notice it. Dude, we just hit 90 miles an hour. I didn't realize it. But I finally made it back in town. The car got completely destroyed from all the snow. It's dirty on the outside. I'm not even going to show you guys how dirty it is on the outside, but I'm gonna go take it for a car wash, and then I'll show you guys around and some things that I really do like about this car from what I noticed with the 4-hour drive.
Straight. What I made you terminate my pain. This love triangle left us in a rectangle. What else can I say? It was fun for a while that I really
So this is it. You got an LED strip right there. These are one of the 2 rims that you can get with this car. Then you got red painted calipers that come stock. You have keyless entry here. And then you have number pad right here. I don't know if you can pick that up. Big trunk to this one. I don't know if it'll pick that up. Let's go to the back seat. There's the inside. Not too much room, but it fits people back there. Maybe you can see better from over here.
Lowe's is proud to offer 10% off every day that's active.
Yeah, moonroof. This is the inside. Navigation, Bluetooth, the boost gauge up there. I don't know if it'll pick this up, but it's carbon fiber right here. These are the Ricardo seats. Heated seats, heating steering wheel. Okay, maybe on this side you can see the carbon fiber more. Let's see. What else? That's carbon fiber. E-brake is carbon fiber. And then right here, you can change the LED illumination inside to different colors, which is kind of cool. That's my GoPro. All the mount is right there. And that's about it for the car. I mean, I love the interior of this car. It's definitely an upgrade for my TC. And it's a sporty car, which I really like. So you get luxury and sport in one. So let me get into why I decided to get this car and get rid of my Scion TC. First things first, my Scion TC had 112,000 miles, which is not a lot. Well, for me, I want to be able to do stuff to my car and upgrade it, and then not have to worry about it breaking down or losing a whole bunch of value, which that's almost unstoppable if you're trying to sell a car. It's always going to lose value, but I didn't want to start investing in a car that already had way too many miles, and then I would only be able to enjoy it for a short amount of time. So I was looking for these cars, and I finally found one, like I mentioned. It found it in Ohio, so I had to make a bit of a drive, 4-hour drive, but that's not a problem. I didn't mind it. I saved a lot of money. So I got this car. It's front-wheel drive, so it's good in the snow for me. And it has 250 horsepower, which is a lot more than my Scion TC. And now I can start investing money into it, like an exhaust, cool air intake, whatever comes. I'm gonna be willing to invest in it if I have the money available at the moment. Because if I had an old one, I wouldn't really want to invest, just because what if it breaks down on me and then all that investment went to crap, basically. What I really liked about it was that is luxury inside compared to my Scion TC, but it's a lot more sportier than my Scion. Well, not more sportier looking on the outside, but it is a sporty looking car. Got a sporty car, and I got a nice interior, so I'm winning. At least that's what I think. I got nice Recaro leather seats. They are pretty tight, but I'm hoping I can just get used to it, which I don't really mind at the moment, but hopefully down the line I'll get used to it. One thing that really is unnecessary for these cars is all this carbon fiber that's inside of them. And that's only if you get the ST3 package. The package that I was looking at was the ST2 that has just partial leather, no carbon fiber stuff. I believe it has navigation, but I'm not too sure. But the ST3 package has a bunch of like carbon fiber accessories, like a shift knob, like these panels on the side. There's a boost gauge up front, it's carbon fiber. The heated seats, heating steering wheel, completely unnecessary. And other than that, that's basically just why I decided to choose this car and get rid of my TC, is because my old one had too many miles and I didn't want to invest too much, and now this one I can start fresh. And I like the interior, and it's still a sporty car, so I'm ready to move on and looking forward to do a lot of things to this one. One thing that I'm gonna be doing right away, I already talked to this guy to get it done. I'm supposed to be doing it next week, either Saturday or Sunday, is to get tints, because I've never in any of my cars not had tints. And now when I'm driving this car, I feel like I'm blinded every time the sun comes out, and I feel like naked. I feel like everybody's looking at me, which is fine. I guess I'm just weird like that. I need tints, but yeah, I definitely enjoyed having tints, and I will be getting those done. I got a blowout valve that's supposed to be coming in tomorrow, Tuesday, January 2nd. So I'll hopefully make a video on that. And then cool air intake and exhaust are my next two investments once I save up. So that's my 2016 Focus ST, guys. If you guys want to stay up to date with everything that I do, follow my Instagram, give me a subscribe on YouTube, and you'll stay up to date with everything that I do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.